Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study fast. First, let's talk about planning your study sessions effectively. Before you even open a book, take a few moments to outline what you want to accomplish. Setting clear, achievable goals for each session, perhaps focusing on just one or two key concepts, can dramatically boost your efficiency. Breaking down large topics into smaller, manageable chunks, like a 25-minute sprint, makes the material less daunting and easier to absorb quickly. Next, we'll dive into active learning, which is crucial for rapid retention. Instead of passively reading, challenge yourself to actively recall information. Try explaining a concept aloud as if you were teaching it to someone else. This immediately highlights gaps in your understanding. Using techniques like flashcards for key terms or drawing mind maps to connect related ideas can significantly enhance your memory and comprehension in a short amount of time. Now, let's optimize your study environment for maximum focus. A distraction-free zone is paramount for fast learning. Turn off your phone, close unnecessary browser tabs, and find a quiet space where you won't be interrupted. A well-lit, organized area helps your mind stay clear and focused. Remember to incorporate short, 5-minute breaks every 25 to 30 minutes. These brief pauses prevent burnout and keep your mind sharp for sustained, quick learning. Finally, let's talk about smart review strategies to solidify your learning quickly. Don't just study once and forget it. Spaced repetition is key. Reviewing material at increasing intervals, perhaps after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week, dramatically improves long-term retention. After each session, take a few minutes to summarize the key points in your own words. Regularly testing yourself with practice questions will quickly identify areas needing more attention, ensuring efficient and lasting understanding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.